Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Hollister. I'm gonna see what they have that is new. Looks like they do have some winter stuff on clearance. Now, I see this sweatshirt. It's super cute. It has a butterfly on it, and it says Hollister. I love that. And then they have like these little denim jackets. Little like turtlenecks, bodysuits. And I love this fluffy, furry jacket. It looks super soft, like a teddy bear. And they have some coats on clearance. And then I saw these Hollister t-shirts. It looks like some of them have flowers on them, so they're getting ready for spring at Hollister. So then back here, there are some more sweaters on sale. They're probably starting to get in the spring items. They're gonna be clearancing out the winter things. Here's some more Hollister tees. I like the striped one there. It's super cute. And that purple pink color is pretty. They have some plaid shirts here in the back and another like furry, fluffy, warm jacket. And this one is super soft. I really like this gray tee. It's so cute with the little like ruffle at the bottom, and it's real loose, so I was just looking for my size. But then I pulled out another one. It was like tight at the bottom, which is cute too. And as you can see, after the holidays, there's nobody at Hollister, so it's like a perfect time to shop without having a bunch of people around like it was right before Christmas. So here's some more Hollister hoodies. And then they have their body care. And it was all 50% off. So then this is like the clearance section. So there were more people back here. And they have like these furry slides on clearance. They have pink and tan, and they have this tan backpack that's like furry. And these cute hats with the little ball at the top, little fluff ball. And these slippers are super cute. So I hope you like this Hollister shop with me. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.